Hello, this is Pranay Sai and our topic for now is pronouns. As we all know, pronouns can be used as a replacement of nouns. Instead of repeating the same words over and over in your speech, you can use these pronouns in place of the repeated nouns. Here is a list of pronouns which refer to the nouns. He, she, his, her, this, that, they, their, them, these, those, etc. There are so many pronouns which can be used in place of the nouns. Let us try to identify the pronouns in a passage. Here we go. Here is the passage. Imagine that you're saying this to your friend. And let's try to identify the pronouns. I feel that movies are not fascinating, and I'm sure that few people watch them. Here, them is a pronoun, and we are using it as replacement of movies. Next, for example, last night I watched a movie on your channel. It was one of the boring movies I've ever seen. Here, it is a pronoun, and we are using it instead of movie again. The next statement. The leading actress was not appealing, and her acting made me want to fall asleep. Here, her is a pronoun, and we are using it instead of the leading actress. The next statement. If you continue to direct movies like this, you will probably lose most of your viewers. Here, this is a pronoun, and it refers to the movie as well. And after that, the next statement is, they will choose to watch channels with more interesting movies instead. Here, they is a pronoun. And who are they? The viewers. The next statement. Then, your producers may well decide that their money would be better spent on channels that have larger audience. There is a pronoun again. So here, there refers to the producers. Just have a glance at the passage again for better understanding. This is how pronouns make your speech simple and understandable. See you in the next lecture.